In today's video, let's do a quick comparison between two fantastic smartwatches, the recently launched OnePlus Watch 2 and the Samsung Galaxy Watch 6. They're both packed with features, but each has its own unique perks. Let's dive in and see how they stack up against each other. Before we begin, let's talk pricing. The OnePlus Watch 2 47mm comes in at a price of Rs 28,000. But hey, there's currently a sweet discount of 3,000 rupees, making it even more appealing. On the flip side, Samsung's got the Galaxy Watch 6 40mm at 30,000 rupees, and the 44mm version at 33,000. Both of these beauties are Bluetooth only, but if you're in the market for LTE connectivity, Samsung's got you covered, starting at 34,000 rupees and up. Now let's get into the juicy bits. First up, size matters, right? The OnePlus Watch 2 offers just one size option, 47mm diameter, giving it that bold, commanding presence. And speaking of big, Samsung's Galaxy Watch 6 Classic rocks a similar hefty size. But fear not if you're not into the whole bigger is better vibe. Samsung's got your back with the standard Galaxy Watch 6, coming in at a more modest 40mm. Options, people, options. Now, onto the operating systems. Both these babies run on Wear OS, Google's operating system tailored for smartwatches, ensuring smooth compatibility with Android phones. But hold on to your seats, because they're not carbon copies. The OnePlus Watch 2 struts its stuff with what they call a dual-engine architecture, featuring Snapdragon W5 and BES 2700 chipsets, allowing for seamless switching between Wear OS 4 and RTOs, promising better performance and longer battery life. Meanwhile, Samsung's Galaxy Watch 6 boasts the Exynos W930 chipset, bringing in some serious processing speed. Quick, but we'll reserve our verdict until we've put the OnePlus Watch 2 through its paces. Now, let's talk sensors. Both watches come equipped with a bunch, but Samsung's Galaxy Watch 6 steals the spotlight with its temperature sensor, offering some neat features like cycle tracking and detailed sleep insights. But hold up. The OnePlus Watch 2 claims to monitor everything from your sleep levels to your breathing rate and even blood oxygen levels. Sounds pretty promising, right? We can't wait to give it a whirl. Battery life, the unsung hero of smartwatches. The OnePlus Watch 2 boasts an impressive 100 hours of juice in smart mode, thanks to its hefty 500 mAh battery. And for those moments when you're running low, VOOC fast charging has your back, giving you a full day's worth of power in just 10 minutes. Meanwhile, the Galaxy Watch 6's battery life left us wanting more with a 425 mAh battery, needing a nightly top-up to keep on ticking. The OnePlus Watch 2 doubles down with a generous 32 GB compared to the Galaxy Watch 6's 16 gigs. And in the GPS department, the OnePlus Watch 2 throws in the QZSS system, giving it a leg up. So there you have it, a battle royale between two heavyweights in the world of wrist tech. Stay tuned for our full review where we'll dive even deeper and crown our champion. Until then, keep those wrists stylish and tech savvy. Catch you later.